Alasitan Elementary School, yeah. This is it. Okay, oh, what happened to this building? This is where we always have class before. This goes Marcos, we call it Marcos building before, yeah. This one, yeah. And this is a classroom before, I think two, two rooms, yeah. This is where we always have a class before, yeah. Okay, it's a beautiful one. I don't know where is the main building now. Yeah, oh, it's beautiful now. Okay, directory. This is the directory. Okay, let's see. Oh, beautiful. Okay, here we go. That is the. I don't know where we always the garden, the garden. How we call it? Where we do the gardening before. Still have. That is the bell we're using since ever since I studied here, yeah, during my elementary days. Oh, there's a heaven here, South Heaven, Scout Heaven. Oh, these are the buildings now. Yeah. There's a lot of improvement. Yeah, okay. Okay, these are the buildings now. Oh, this is the garden. That's where we did the gardening before. In this area, these buildings. So, oh, great. It became classrooms now. Oh, we still have a school canteen. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Yeah. It's beautiful now. Yeah. Okay. So even it's raining, you will be safe here walking around inside this school now. Before, no. If it's rain, you cannot go out. Yeah. Okay, this is the place where we do the gardening before. I have so many, I plant so many, what do you call, I plant eggplant and many vegetables here before. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, I like it. Okay. Okay. Good morning, my dear alma mater. This is Noel Rodriguez Marquez. I graduated here in this wonderful school during my elementary days. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I don't expect to graduate here with honors before. I am fourth honor. I garnered fourth honors during my graduation.